Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Myself, Dr. Mahesh Kumar, and today my lecture on topic Ayurvedic management of varicose vein. The varicose vein are Sira Kautilya, Kutil Sira Granthi in Ayurvedic perspective. The aim of the lecture is to describe the varicose vein of lower limbs in a perspective of Ayurveda. What is vein and venous disorders? As I described in earlier lecture, that the veins are the important part of vascular system and it flows the blood towards the heart side. And the common diseases of the veins are called as venous disorders, and the example of these diseases are varicose vein, venous ulcer, deep vein thrombosis, venous malformation, etc. The common site of varicosity or varicose vein in the body are at the lower limbs in the superficial veins of lower limbs, long saphenous vein and short saphenous vein. At the esophageal site, esophageal varices. At the anal site, the hemorrhoidal vein varicosity called piles. At the spermatic cord site, that is the varicocele. The varicose vein of lower limbs are more common and commonly seen in society. The common victims of varicose veins are the older persons, females, obese persons, overweighted persons, females on oral contraceptive pills, and the persons having traumatic history. The many invasive techniques, drugs, and surgical procedures adopted for the care and management of the varicose vein. Surgically treated by stripping, tying, blocking, thus allowing secondary channels of circulation to take over the load, or the secondary channels become overloaded. However, this is not a permanent cure as there is a possibility of recurrence of varicose vein seen. The varicose vein in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, there is no separate elaborative identity seen regarding varicose vein, but basically it is a Sira Vikriti or venous disorder and named as Sira Kautilya or Kutil Sira at many places. So the varicose vein is nearer with the Sira Granthi, a type of Granthi Roga as per Ayurveda, and basically due to Vat dosha. In Ayurveda, Sushrut Samhita Sutrasthan 11, a type of rog that is called as Granthi as mentioned. The Granthi rog have Dusya, Kaf, Rakt, Mans and Med. The Sushrut, Bhavaprakash and Madhunidan describe the 5 types of Granthi roga, among which the Vatas, Pittas, Kaphas, Medas and Siraj Granthis are mentioned. Then in verse of the Siraj Granthi, Sushrut said that the Vyayam Jatair Balasya Taste hai रक्षस्य वायु ही शिरा प्रतानाम संपीड्य संकोच विशोष्य चापी ग्रंथि करोत्यानुन्नतमासुवरतम ग्रंथि शिराजा सातु कृच्छ साध्यो भवेद्वादि स्याद सारुजश्चलश्च आरोक्षर एवाप्य चलो महश्च मर्मोत्थिताश्चापि विवर्जनीय. Means that as per Sushrut, if a person undertakes excessive exercise, then gets his network of veins affected due to vayu dosha, that finally lead compresses, squeezes and dries up the produce and form the granthi like structure which is red and circular. This granthi, Sira Granthi, is correlated with varicose vein at many places in Ayurveda. What are the management of Ayurveda? Management of varicose vein in Ayurveda. Ayurveda clinician mostly advocate following things for strengthening the walls of the vein and the other vessels. Many herbal drug treatments, dietary changes, lifestyle modification, exercise, yoga, Siravedhan or venipunctures, leech therapy. These procedures or these things primarily relieve the symptoms of itching, heaviness and swelling in the legs and ankle side. Thus it may be possible to treat the disease with satisfaction. Many preventive aspects may be followed and is practicing by Ayurveda clinician in their OPDs like exercise and yoga, crepe bandage and crepe bandage applications. The yogic exercises like Halasan, Pavan Muktasan, Sarvangasana, Sirsasana, as well as simple regular exercises like walking, swimming, cycling, etc. keeps legs muscles toned, improved blood circulations and drainage of blood from legs. It should be practiced regularly, and when sleep on your back on the floor, raise your lower limbs touching a wall. The crepe bandage application, it prevents excessive dilatation of veins and ulcer formation, making a support for better circulations. Other preventive measures like control overweight, and diet should be low in fat, sugar and salt content. Quit the smoking as it increases the blood pressure and worsens the veins. Wear elastic supports, stockings, crepe bandage for relief, and foot elevation while sitting or in resting phase. Fibrous and unpolished diets, carrot and spinach juice daily suffices vitamins deficiency in the legs. Put your feet up a few inches above heart level to assist keep back pressure to blood from the legs. Alternate hot and cool baths, also educated by the clinician. Advised to stop the contraceptive pills by females if pregnant, then sleep on the left side rather than on the back side. Protein rich diet is important for building up the tissues. Take whole blood grains, etc. Regular massage with Ayurvedic oils like पंचगुड़ तेल, प्रसारणी, क्षीर वाला तेल, चंदन वाला लाछादी तेल helpful in but no directly on the varicose vein as it would increase the pressure on them. For the conservative treatment, many drugs are practicing by clinicians, Ayurvedic clinicians are like Kesor Gugulu, Sarivadyaso, Mahamanjishtadi Kwach, Punarnavaso, Kanchanar Gugulu, and other drugs as per the requirement in patients or the conditions of the patients and with other comorbid conditions. The use of single herbs also mentioned like pure Gugulu, Neem, Kanchanar, Nagkesar, Triphala Churn, Arjun, Brahmi, Ashwagandha, etc. Amal ki churn, that is Umbilicus officinale, and other citrus fruits are essential since vitamin D deficiency is a prime cause of varicose vein. The garlic and ginger can also break down the protein content in the body and distribute it evenly. Onion, Allium cepa, helps in the proper assimilation and distribution of protein in the human body. It is said to increase inner strength. The Arjun and Gugulu are herbal drugs are highly recommended to improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation. Use of compound drugs like Arogyavardhani Vati, Mahamanjishtarist, Jasad Bhasma, Chandra Prabhavati, Punarnavadi Gugulu, Kanchanar Gugulu, Lasunadi Vati. These are helpful by as per the recommendation by the clinician. Many parasurgical procedures are also adopted for the treatment of Shiragranthi or varicose vein. These parasurgical procedures are Shiravedhan or Beni puncture and leech therapy or Jalauka. The Shiravedhan and leech therapy, the Ashtanga is there, Uttar Asthan 30/7. Shiravedhan is indicated for the treatment of Shiragranthi. Among bloodletting procedures, leech therapy is safe and easier. Leeches are applied as a normal method on site of varicose vein and followed general procedures. The site, number of leeches and duration depends on the conditions of the varicosity and as per the knowledge of the clinician and their experience. Shiravedhan and leech therapy. Shiravedhan and leech therapy in cases of varicose vein. In varicose veins, stagnation of blood occurs due to defect in venous valve and engorgement of veins take place gradually, which lost the elasticity of valve and proficiency of valve. So it can be assumed that if one can reduce this local engorgement pressure, this may be helpful in better circulation, preserve vein valve competency and elasticity of vein valves. Putting this hypothetical thought in mind, concept of Rakt motion by leech applied in patient whose effects are encouraging with medicine and suggestion. The leeches suck the blood at local site and improve blood circulation, decline pressure on veins and surrounding, so elastic recoiling of veins maintained and prevent the overdilation. So leech therapy and Shiravedhan both are effective in the management of varicose vein. The message is the preventive measures, scrap bandage, yoga, exercise and Ayurvedic drugs. Ayurvedic describe above works basically on the local site and improve patient conditions. It prevents the worsen of the condition. Ayurvedic methods easily applicable at indoor, outdoor level and no harmful side effects seen, and it is result oriented if done properly and with under aseptic conditions. Leech therapy can be considered as an option for poor and surgically unfit patients. Clinical experiences show that Ayurvedic drugs, leech therapy with diet and exercise are effective in the management of varicose vein. Thanks for your patience listening. Thank you so much.